Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss scalar product of two vectors. Now our topic is how we can multiply two vector quantity. In last lecture we have discussed how to add two vectors and how we can subtract two vectors. Now please pay attention here. Let A and B are two vectors. Let A and B are two vector quantity. When you multiply these two vector quantity, for example, arithmetic में आते हैं 2 multiply by 3 we will get 6. 2x multiply by y we get 2xy. So similarly, when we multiply A and B, remember thing here I am not using the sign cross because in vector algebra it has some different meaning. That's why I am going to try to explain it. So A vector and B vector, when you multiplied it, then new quantities comes. For 2 into 3 you get 6, it is a new one. 2xy it is again a new one. So let that new quantity may be C. Or maybe R, maybe X, whatever be. When you multiply these two, you get a new quantity. And this new quantity may be a vector and may be a scalar. We don't know. So we can say that when we multiply two vector quantity, so it may be a vector or it may be a scalar. According to that concept, we divide the product of two vectors in a two way. One is called scalar product and other one is called vector product. So you can say product of two vector quantity is two types. Number one is scalar product of two vectors. Other one is vector product of two vectors. In this lecture today we are only discuss about the scalar product. But you have to remember this thing, when you multiplied it, so we categorize it two types. One is called scalar product, other one is called vector product. So now I come to my point, scalar product of two vector quantity. Scalar product of two vector quantities. So let A and B are two vector quantity, and after multiplication we get a new quantity, let that is C. If it is a scalar, then the product of these two quantities is known as scalar product of two vectors. So we can say, now what is the definition? The scalar product of two vectors is numerically equal to, now definition of these two vectors. To distinguish, चलो एक चीज और बता देता हूं मैं आपको. Suppose A vector, it is a B vector. I told to you कि when you multiply it, after multiplication, it may be a vector or it may be a scalar. So which sign we use it? If both places we use a cross, so how we can distinguish it? So for that, for the vector product we use a cross sign, and for a scalar product we use a dot sign. So here we use the dot sign. So that's why this product is also called dot product. ये भी बता ही देता हूँ, मैं सोचा था बाद में बताऊंगा लेकिन चलिए बता दें. So this scalar product is also called dot product of two vectors. So when you multiply two vector, if you get a scalar quantity, so this type of product is known as scalar product or dot product. So here I use the dot sign. So A dot B and it is a scalar quantity C. तो इस definition बता रहा हूं मैं, mathematical definition. So you can say mathematical definition of scalar product of two vectors or dot product of two vectors. This is also called dot. Why it is called? Because we use a dot sign to distinguish it. It is called dot product. So A dot B mathematically is equal to AB cos of theta. क्या बोला मैंने? Dot B is equal to AB cos theta. यहां से आपको डेफिनेशन बनानी है. तो क्या बनेगी डेफिनेशन? देखिए, scalar product or dot product of two vectors is numerically equal to the product of their magnitude. A and B क्या है? A and B are the magnitudes of vector. So product of their magnitude to the cosine of the angle between them. To the cosine of the angle between them. You can draw the diagram also. Still it is a vector A. And another vector, say it is B. This is another vector. And the angle between these two vectors is theta. Then dot product of these two vectors is numerically equal to product of their magnitude. Magnitude of A, magnitude of B, and cosine of the angle between them. This is your definition of dot product of two vector quantities. Okay? Any doubt? So this simple one. Then we discuss its geometrical meaning also, physical meaning also in the next lecture. Before that, first I explain to you some example also. So what are the examples? It's so simple example, everybody knows it. You are studying class 9. W is equal to F dot D. So this is the example, first example. You can say what? So many examples, we'll discuss few examples today. So W is F dot D. What is here? F is the applied force on the object. Say F force is applied on the object and it displaced by displacement CD. So the dot product of force and displacement is known as work done by the force on the object. And we know that work is a scalar quantity. Force is a vector quantity. Displacement is a vector quantity. So product of two vector, you get a scalar. This is your aim. So this is your scalar product. So the product of two vector quantity, we will get a scalar quantity. That's why it is a scalar product and it is the example of scalar product. So the work done is the example of scalar. Question asked exam. What you understand by the term scalar product? Explain with the help of few examples. तो एक एग्जांपल हो गया. एक और बता देता हूँ. तो सेकंड एग्जांपल. देखिए सेकंड एग्जांपल. You know that power. What is power? Mechanical power. W upon T. The amount of work done per unit time is known as power. और अभी आपने वर्क को डिफाइन किया है क्या? F dot D. So this is equal to F dot D upon T. F dot D upon T. And what is D upon T? Displacement upon time is the velocity or speed. The velocity here is vector quantity, it is displacement, not a distance. Distance upon time is speed. Here displacement upon time. So it is equal to F dot V. You can say power is equal to F dot V. This is your third example of, second example, another example of dot product of two. Force is a vector quantity, velocity is a vector quantity. When we get dot product of this, we get electric power or mechanical power. It is a scalar quantity. So P is equal to F dot V. It is the another example. Okay, thank you very much. Keep it up or subscribe my channel. Share it. If you have any doubt, please write down on the comment box.